Did you know in the film Heartbreak Ridge, there is a sequence that features a bulldozer? And interestingly enough, this scene was inspired by a true event. The individual who actually performed the action depicted by Clint Eastwood's character was none other than John Abizaid. At that time, Abizaid held the rank of captain and served as a ranger company commander. It is worth noting that Abizaid has had a remarkable career, culminating in his recent retirement as the commander of the U.S. Central Command. During his tenure, he was responsible for overseeing all U.S. military operations in Iraq, Afghanistan, and various other countries in the Middle East.